Good day. This report presents the findings of a food safety inspection conducted in the Rustic Bistro Kitchen. The purpose of this activity is to identify hygiene hazard as an essential potential risk and recommended correction action in the line between or with standard food safety legislation and organizational procedure. And this is the top hygiene hazard. First, this is a high cross contamination risk, raw meat stored above salads. Next is the no hair restraints, hair contamination risk from unsure staff during preparation. Poor hand washing, cross transfer of bacteria from raw to cooked foods and utensils. Then the additional hazard found, dirty cutting board, we will see visible debris and scratches, enable bacteria growth, replace or resurface. Open overflowing bins, attract pests and create sanitation and odor issues. Unsafe cold storage, fridge at 10 Celsius, above 5 Celsius, safe, therefore it support bacteria growth. And this is the methodology. A document review, food safety regs, hygiene procedure, cleaning schedule. A virtual walkthrough. Inspect preparation station, storage, dishwashing, waste, and staff practices. Risk assessment. Rate hazard by severity, contamination chance, and impact. Documentation, photograph, diagrams, and an audit checklist capture evidence. Chemical and flooring risk. This, we have chemical near food, chemical storage beside dry ingredient, risk contamination, separate per COSHH. Wet floors. Standing water near dish area creates slip, hazard, immediately cleanup required. I made a diagram for cross-contamination flow. First, I input on the first part is the raw meats. Second, the drip transfer. And the third one is the RTE salad. While the last one is the utensils. So this diagram visualize how raw meat stored above. The next is the RTE food can transfer pathogen through dripping and handling, leading to illness. So for the completed audit checklist, this is the summary of it. Refrigerator, raw above RTE, high risk action, recognize and monitoring temperature. We have a personal hygiene which is missing hairnet and poor hand washing, medium high, and action training and enforcement. Cleaning, dirty boards and open bins, high medium, action sanitize, replace covered bins. For the safety, wet floors and chemical nears food, this is a medium and high. Action separate storage, floor maintenance. So this is my recommendation and corrective action. Immediate fix. Move raw meat to lower shelves, label container, prepare fridge to 5 degrees Celsius. Training and supervision. Mandatory hairnets, hand washing training, hygiene monitor by supervisor. Sanitation program. Schedule cleaning, color coded board, approved chemicals stored separatively. Safety improvement, covered pedal bins, wet floor protocols, regular safety audit and records. So in conclusion, the inspection of the Rustic Bistro Kitchen identify multiple hygiene hazards that pose significant risk to food safety. Immediate corrective action are required to ensure compliance with the food safety standard. Implementing proper food storage, enforcing personal hygiene, maintaining cleanliness, managing waste effectively, and controlling pests are critical to preventing contaminating. Regular audit, staff training, and adherence to establish procedure will significantly improve and the overall hygiene and safety of the kitchen. This concludes my hygiene hazard inspection report. Thank you.